Hey guys, today I want to tell you how to make a sprout house. We've been talking about seeds, and we know that seeds turn into plants, different kinds of plants, right? So today we're going to watch how a seed grows into a plant, and we're going to do that with a sprout house. Now, if you're at home, you're going to need some things, and these are probably things that a lot of them you might have at home. You might have a plastic bag. If you want to make a sprout house, you're going to need a plastic bag, a paper towel, some water, and this might be what you might not have. Lima beans or kidney beans. These are seeds. We're eating seeds all the time when we eat beans. So we're going to use these to make our sprout house and see how seeds go. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open my bag because this is going to be my house where my seeds are going to grow. And I'm going to take my paper towel and I'm going to get it wet. Now, the key to a sprout house is you don't want too much water because your beans will just go swimming. They can't grow. Seeds don't sprout if they have too much water. So you want to squeeze it out a little bit. I've got plenty of water in there, but it is not dripping wet. See how it's not dripping wet? I squeezed it out a little bit, and it's definitely wet, but it's not dripping wet. So I'm going to take my paper towel, my wet paper towel, and I'm going to put it in the bottom of my bag, just like that. And now I'm ready to put my seeds in. And I'm going to put several seeds in. We'll just see what happens with them. So now I've got my seeds, and you need to make sure that your seeds are right by your wet paper towel because seeds need water to sprout. And I always like to blow a little air in my bag because seeds need air, plants need air. And then you can close your bag up and you can tape it in a window. Make sure you do a window that has lots of sunshine. So I'm going to tape this one in a window, and we're going to look at these seeds and see how they sprout. If you have these materials, you can make a sprout house at your house. But if you don't have these materials, we're going to check this sprout house that Miss Craft made, and we'll see what happens to these seeds. Okay, guys, I hope you're having fun learning about plants, and I hope you have a great time either making a sprout house or watching our seeds in our sprout house to see what happens. See you later.